guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing some work on an actual real life client, and all we are doing in this video is quite a nice simple one, but I still wanted to film it for you guys. And I'm doing an acrylic overlay with a gel polish design on top. So we did actually end up sculpting these out slightly. This client in particular is quite heavy-handed. She does have horses and things like that, so she does a lot of work with her hands, so she can't have long nails. Obviously nowhere near as long as mine, which are actually now becoming a little bit too long for me. So I did go in and I did take these slightly longer, but it is basically just an acrylic overlay. So I'm going to let you guys watch. I've already done all my regular prep, pushed back the cuticle, etched the nail bed, make sure there's no shine, we have dehydrated, we have primed, and yes, I'm just going to let you guys watch the acrylic overlay. So going back over this now, I would have gone in with another bead over the top to make these nails a little bit stronger, but you do live and you do learn. We weren't even going to take these any longer than the natural nail, but I decided to just give her a little tiny bit of length. So yes, I do just go in there again and just go over that little pinky finger, just because that one ended up as more of an overlay, so I thought I'd just go and take a tiny little bit more length, as you can see there. So I actually decided to leave some filing in this video for you guys. I don't normally bother to, but yeah, I thought I would leave a little bit of filing in, and I'm getting much more confident like using the nail drill, or the e-file if you will, and yeah, I'm enjoying it. It's much quicker, but I think it's just about practice, I guess. Literally everything is about practice, in it. Like whatever you are doing in life, practice, practice, practice. I love learning and I love like training, and yeah, I'm ready for my next course now. I don't know what it's going to be, but I'm ready for it. So once I finished all the filing, I then went in and buffed, and I sort of got rid of all the dust and everything with, I think I used acetone this time, but I'm going to start using hand sanitizer in the future. And I'm just going to go in with a gel polish. So this gel polish is one of the Gelux ones. It's like a bluey Gelux colour. And we also use a glitter colour, which looks so nice. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did do a swatch video on some Fairy Glow glitter gel polishes from Amazon, and they are so good. I do really like them. Clients have been using, I've been using them on clients basically a lot. So I do have a couple more videos coming with some clients where I've used some of the glitters on there too. And I went in and I think I did 3 coats of each of these. So I'll let you watch that. seriously, how nice is that glitter? I absolutely love it. So sparkly. They all have like holographic glitter in them. I just love it. So I then go in with my Kiara Sky No Wipe top coat and top coat all the nails, and then that is it for this set, you guys. This is the finished result. I really, really like these nails. I think they're really fun and just a little bit different, and yeah, the glitters are literally my favourites. I love them. I need to get some more of them. They're so pretty. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below letting me know if you want to see more videos on clients, even if they are more quite simple and gel polish, but obviously they are real clients. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!